Title: Face Your Biggest Fear to Win $800,000. Introduction: Introduceth concept of facing fears and the potential rewards. Highlight the $800,000 prize and the challenge ahead. Act 1: Setting the stage. Introduce the contestants, each with their own unique fears. Provide background information on each contestant and why they've chosen to participate. Build anticipation for the challenges to come. Act 2: Confronting Fears. Each contestant faces their fear in a series of escalating challenges. Show their initial hesitation and anxiety as they confront what scares them the most. Highlight their determination and courage as they push through each obstacle. Act 3: Overcoming Adversity. Show the emotional highs and lows as contestants confront their fears head-on. Document their progress and growth throughout the challenges. Highlight any unexpected twists or turns that occur along the way. Court 4: The Final Challenge. Build suspense as the remaining contestants face the ultimate test of their fears. Showcase their determination and resilience as they push themselves to the limit. Create a sense of tension as the competition reaches its climax. Conclusion: announceth winner who successfully conquered their biggest fear. Reflect on the journey and the lessons learned. Highlight the significance of facing fears and pushing beyond limitations. Leave the audience feeling inspired and motivated to confront their own fears.